This
is
conference will now be recorded.
Fusion, SCM, not SCM, including SQL, Fusion, project management, and general ledger combination. This is the SQL query we need to build for one
Okay,
report.
got
Okay,
it. Yeah.
so the according to this report, so how much depth you want in SQL and PL SQL and BA reports. These are the very essential in Fusion.
Okay. So
First,
so
we
you
have
are okay. So I'm sorry to interrupt. So basically you are saying that we should be little bit more knowledgeable in the PLSQL to learn this.
yes, SQL PL SQL, not little bit, full full knowledge on these two technologies.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's
And
imagine
then
we yeah. Continue, please.
and
Yeah.
and then using XML publisher, we have to develop a like uh, uh, you will get the XML file from the Oracle Fusion. Using that XML file, we have to develop BA publisher reports. Okay, so that is the technical person job.
Okay.
Okay,
So can
so
you show I'm sorry, can you show one thing regarding that XML if you have anything like let's just want to see how it
yeah,
looks like. Yeah.
so this is the, this is the XML file conversion file.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
and get XML like this from Fusion. Based on this, you need to build a report by using Word.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever the XML file contains the
Mm-hmm.
data we're populating into this type of HTML report or text report or PDF, whatever the format. They, as per the client requirement, we need to publish even
Okay.
PDF format. So these are the mandatory things. Then only we'll enter into Oracle Fusion.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So and one more thing, when you are technical,
Yeah.
when you are technical, they will ask any type of report. That might be in financial, that might be in SCM side.
Okay.
So you should be aware of all the uh, technical part in the sense tables you have to understand. So what is it?
Mm-hmm.
What
Okay.
is the flow of data from which
Got it.
module to which module? How it is going on? Okay,
Okay. Yep.
and then and then here every report we are calling as ESS job. Okay, and suppose there is some seeded views and seeded reports in it. How we have to copy those and we have to modify. because the seeded report, seeded means which is already provided by Oracle, the default report.
Okay.
We should not touch them, and we should not modify it instantly, right? So
Yep.
those things we need to copy from the Fusion and develop, and develop, modify, and rename it and save it to another location, and we have to publish it. That is the scenarios we need to do. Okay, so
Yeah.
it basically technical analyst only do these type of tasks. Okay,
Okay.
here we require front end navigation and back end. So for example, uh, so Oracle Fusion is a SaaS based application. SaaS based in the
Okay.
sense software as a service.
Mm-hmm.
So here we need not to install anything, and we have to work in locally.
Got it.
Okay. And even we don't have any tool to access database from your system locally. Whatever the queries you need to write, you have to write
Mm-hmm.
from here only, right? You have to
Yep.
write from here only. Either financial queries or SCM queries, all you should be written from here. Okay? Then I need to execute the query. Okay, it will show the data. Okay,
Yep.
table. How many records you want, you can select it and see for testing purpose. Got it? Like this, you have to execute the queries, and no need to install anything in your system. Only thing is we have to install Word along with the BA Publisher add-on.
Okay. For the
That's it.
XML, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So this is the front-end look and feel, and you can easily navigate Fusion application. It's very easy. Okay.
So this is the Fusion technical side, right? The background working, correct?
Yes. This is a
Okay.
purely technical side.
Okay.
Okay. So, and here coming to you financials and SCM. There's two portions we have, right?
Yeah.
Basically, this Oracle Fusion nowadays where it is available like HCM, Human
Okay.
Capital Management. Okay,
Yeah.
Fusion, SCM, or finance. So, whatever the like we can categorize it, like, this is as material and money.
Okay.
So whatever the things are dealing with material, those are SCM modules.
Okay.
Whenever you are dealing with money, that is called finance module. So in the SCM module, order management, that is called OM. Okay.
Yeah.
So OM, we are selling goods here. Only we are shipping goods to the customer,
Okay.
and then we'll receive the amount, that is called receivables.
Okay.
Receivables dealings with money, that's why it is in finance mode.
Got it. Okay.
And inventory, we are storing items. Warehouse, that is nothing but warehouse or store. So this inventory, we are only keeping the items. We are storing the items. That is in SCM mode. Okay. And purchasing, we are purchasing the items. And paying is the payables.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a finance model. Purchasing is a SCM. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, this SCM and finance will be together in a single module or together in a single fusion, or it will be separate.
Everything is single fusion.
Okay, in a single fusion. So the SCM will be in the front end, right? Correct?
Yes, SCM not front end. I'm just category. This is a
Okay, you are
category.
categorizing. So SCM, you are saying that. Okay, got it. Okay, okay.
SCM is one of the model. Finance is one of the model.
Okay, okay.
So in
But
this, we
yeah,
have
yeah, got it. Yeah, yeah. Continue.
these are the responsibilities.
Okay,
Okay. We have to know about each and every module's flow. How item is entering into inventory. How we are purchasing. How we are paying. How we are receiving the amount. How we are booking the order and all. These are all everything need to be know to develop the query.
got it.
Otherwise,
So,
otherwise you
yeah,
could not develop the query, right?
yeah.
So where is the data? Data in the table. How to fetch the data? How what
Yeah.
which
So Jay, I have a question. Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt. So basically, when you say that the data, right, the table structure will be the say will be like, for example, is a standard table. Like, for example, if you say the items, right? So I'm just
yeah,
taking example. So the items will be. I'm taking example. The items will be in that item table, or the orders will be in the order table, like the employee and employee table, right? So it will be something like that structure, or it will be entirely different based on the customer wise.
the no, it is purely seeded. Like there is some standards in there. So
Okay,
this per underscore all underscore people underscore f. This is the people table.
okay, got it. Okay,
So it never changed to customer.
okay,
Okay. So whatever the columns are available here, we can utilize. If the columns are not sufficient and our requirement is as per our line of business it is different, then we need to use this attribute columns. That's it. But there is no
okay,
modification. Okay, these are the columns, and what is the column meaning? What description you have given? What is the primary key, foreign key? Indexes are available in this table. Everything is they have provided like this help center. Using this help center, you can identify the tables and you can make joins between two tables.
got it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's it from my end for till now because I need to jump to catch another class.
yeah.
Sorry
So
for
so 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 basically, I'm just reiterating. So basically, we need to have to get a knowledge in Oracle Fusion. We need to have a strong knowledge in Oracle PLSQL, right?
SQL, PL/SQL. There is two parts, SQL and PL/SQL.
PLSQL and the XML
BI
part
report.
also.
BI
Okay.
report in XML part.
And once we have this, then only we will be able to learn much on this Oracle Fusion, right?
Fusion. Exactly.
Okay. So what I'll do is let me talk to my friend Prabal also. We'll see, because we don't have this both knowledge. So because it will be waste of time for everyone, right? Without knowing all these things to jump into
Yes.
Fusion, right?
Right.
So let me discuss internally and let me go through it. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. No
Thank you.
problem.
Thank you for letting us know. This is very important thing for us.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, Jake. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.